alternative to bank FDs. Safe, reasonably safe. Okay, but still gives a better return than bank FDs.
Mutual funds.
Company FDs.
Mutual funds are risky.
Properties.
Sorry?
Properties.
Company FDs.
Company FDs, okay. Company FD is one option.
PPF.
PPF unfortunately only 1 lakh, now we have 5 lakhs.
But like,
And this is 5, somebody might have 10.
Real
So
estate.
PPF is a limited alternative,
But
yes.
it's-
Otherwise PPF is superb, is absolutely
it's
right.
not meeting the inflation rate.
Sorry? But because there is no tax, I mean you're getting 8.7% post-tax, okay?
It is like you
Close to the inflation rate, reasonably close to the inflation rate, zero risk. I mean PPF is even less riskier than SBI, right? Lakhs now, yeah. FMPs. What are FMPs? Okay. What is that? That's mutual fund, right? A fixed maturity plan is but mutual funds are risky.
If you put
How many people think mutual funds are extremely risky?
not extend, not extend.
No?
In long term, it is not risky.
Okay. So,
And if you put in SIP, it is
when you put in SIP, it is less risky. So, mutual is. If you tell him to put it in mid caps, he is as risky as mid caps. So, mutual fund is not one animal. Right? So, there are funds that put money, let us say, in bank FDs or equivalent to bank FDs. Their risk is equivalent to a bank FD risk. Right? One of them probably is a fixed maturity plan. I have something here which is called a short term plan that invests in short term debt instruments. Mutual fund is? Anybody? Everybody knows what a mutual fund is, right? Mutual fund is somebody who will collect money from everybody. He's told you what kind of investment he is going to make, and then on everybody's behalf he invests and manages and takes a fee for it. Returns that you get, he passes on. He's just a manager. So every scheme is a different scheme. People tell me they've invested in HDFC mutual fund. I haven't invested in HDFC mutual fund, sir. You have invested in HDFC tax saver, HDFC long term advantage, which is very different from HDFC liquid fund, mid cap equity, and which is very different from HDFC top 200. Right? Invariably, I have met clients that don't remember which scheme they have invested. They just remember the brand. Right? The point is, ICICI Prudential, you invest in ICICI Prudential liquid fund. Now that particular scheme invests in bank FDs or commercial paper. Where is the risk? There is no risk. But then they also have a scheme which is ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. Right? That invests in mid cap. That's whatever risk is there in investing in mid cap, they carry. Correct? So we were talking of bank FDs, right? Performance review. If you had invested in any time during the year ended 31st March 2011, 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2011, your SBI FD rate was 8.25%. Right? And ICICI Prudential short term plan growth. You can take any short term funds. I have just taken two of the better known names in the market. Okay? As you will see, 7.82 remains the same, 7.06 remains the same. What is the magic? Are the returns from short term debt funds not taxable?
After 1 year, they won't be taxable.
After 3 years now, unfortunately. Yes.
3 years.
Bank FDs make no sense. You want to invest in SBI? Invest in SBI short term debt fund. It's owned by the same guys. You want to put it in an ICICI Bank FD? Put it in ICICI Prudential short term plan. As long as you want to keep it for minimum. In any case, even if you have to keep it for less, an STP is still better than a bank FD. And we will just see why. A very quick comparison. Safety, bank FD scores a little bit above because of the fact that returns cannot be known in advance. They are not allowed. No mutual fund seller will ever tell you that this is going to be the return. Nobody can tell you. They are not allowed to. And nowadays they don't even whisper. I think that practice has been wiped out from the market. Here, if you keep it for 3 years, your FD returns, tax reduces the return, but in short-term funds there is very little impact of tax because of the indexation benefit. Liquidity is a big thing. In a bank FD, you will have to pay a cost for liquidity. First, you get interest only for what would have been the deposit rate for the period you actually held it, right? Here, nothing, 90 days, right? If you have a 1 crore deposit or if you have a 10 lakh deposit, try taking only 3 lakhs out. There are schemes in which you can do it. In a mutual fund, you have a 10 lakh mutual fund, you can withdraw 10,000 rupees if you want. Not a problem at all. Every single unit is withdrawable. So there are several advantages even if you want to invest in safe instruments. Why you should do it in mutual funds? Probably of the same bank that you trust. Do it of the same bank that you trust. Because when you are investing money, your brand loyalty is extremely important. So when we advise clients, we check out what is his brand preference. Okay?